What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, the AshleMichelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be using the Morphe Fierce by Nature palette, and the first color that I'm going to be using is the color Savage. LOL, I'm a savage. What? Hey, classy, bougie, ratchet. But no, seriously, guys, this makeup look is going to be beginner friendly and perfect if you are ever on the go. And after I apply Savage to both of my eyelids, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to draw a very thin line across my eyelids. And for my beginners out there, looking down does help when you are applying your eyeliner and makes it so much more easier to apply. So I did go ahead and apply my eyelashes off camera, and if you want to know what eyelashes that I'm wearing, I am going to link them down below in the description box. But now I'm going to prime my skin using the NYX Shine Killer Primer, and I'm just going to blend this out using my fingers across my entire face. And next, you guys, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 420. And you guys, I promise, after all of this quarantine stuff is over with, I'm going to get me some new foundation. I'm definitely going to be running to Ulta. That's going to be the first place I go to. But seriously, I am going to blend out this foundation using a damp beauty sponge. Now it is time to get snatched, hunty. I'm going to highlight my face using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to use that same damp beauty sponge to blend out the concealer. And you all, this has been literally my favorite part about doing my makeup ever since I learned how to do it. I just love how it makes my face look after I finish blending everything out. And now I'm going to semi-bake and press in the NYX banana powder into my face, and then I'm just going to sweep everything away using a big fluffy foundation brush. And after I set my makeup using the NYX Matte Pro Filter Spray, I'm going to add in the Black Radiance bronzer and the Sephora Stardust highlighter for some extra glow. And today, y'all would have never guessed it, I have a lip combination for you all. That's right, I said it, I got a lip combo. And first, I'm going to prep my lips using Carmex, and then I'm going to go in and line my lips using the NYX matte lip liner. Next, I'm going to apply some clear smackable lip gloss, and then I'm going to follow up with my Diamond Glow lip gloss as well, and I'm going to link all of those in the description box. Alright, you all, that is all that I have for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it and definitely learned something new. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And most importantly, don't forget to turn those post notifications on and subscribe. You do not want to miss any new videos that I have coming out on my channel. And y'all already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin'. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye!